This question might seem like trying to untangle holiday lights. Messy at first, but you will shine bright once you get it solved. My advice, keep untangling. The glow of your success is right around the corner. You're presented with 3 diamonds. Each diamond has 4 numbers inside. The first diamond has numbers 3, 4, 6, and 2. The second diamond has numbers 5, 8, 10, and 4. And then the third diamond has numbers 9, 14, 18, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 5, choice B, 6, choice C, 7, and choice D, 8. Here's what we're gonna do. Take your time to work through this question at your own pace, just like you would an actual exam. Once you're done, we'll go over it together, and I'll guide you through the solution step by step. Time's up. Are you ready with your answer? I hope you are, since the pattern in this question could not be any simpler. Let's take a close look at the number 12 o'clock. It's 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4, which is the number on the opposite side at 6 o'clock. Let's look at the number 3 at 3 o'clock. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. Let's verify this pattern with the second shape. 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8, and 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. Let's look at the third shape. 9 multiplied by 2 equals 18. And you know what time it is? It's the magic time to calculate the missing number. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So the correct answer here is choice C, 7. But wait, there is more. Here's the question for you to solve. You're presented with 3 diamonds. First diamond has numbers 3, 6, 9, and 2. Second diamond has numbers 6, 12, 18, and 4. And then the third diamond has numbers 7, 15, 21, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 5, choice B, 6, choice C, 7, and last but not least, choice D, 8. After you found the answer, post it in comments and I'll provide my feedback. Best of luck with this exciting challenge. Tackling this problem is like trying to push a boulder uphill. At first, it seems impossible. But with each push, you're building the strengths to get it over the peak. Keep pushing. Your persistence will definitely pay off. You're presented with amazingly cool but unusually looking expressions. On the left side of the expression, there is a triangle. On the right side, there is a calculated number. The first shape has numbers 2, 3, and 4, and the result is equal 14. The second shape has numbers 3, 4, and 5, and then result is equal 27. And then the third shape has numbers 4, 5, and 6. And result is something you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 40. Choice B, 41. Choice C, 43. And last but not least, choice D, 44. Now, here's the plan. Take your time, just like you would on an actual test. Carefully think through the problem, eliminate the wrong choices, and check your final answer. And once you've done, we'll go over it together and I'll explain the solution in details. The funniest thing with this boulder is that it doesn't seem too hard to push it uphill once you know the pattern. And the pattern here is extremely simple. The calculated number is the total of the bottom left number multiplied by 2 other numbers in the triangle. Let's look at the example. So the first triangle has numbers 2, 3, and 4. 2 multiplied by 3 in parentheses plus 2 multiplied by 4 in parentheses equal 6 plus 8 and equals 14. Obviously, you don't even need parentheses in this expression since multiplications will be done first. Let's verify that we've detected the pattern correctly with the second shape. 3 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 5 equals 12 plus 15 and equals 27. And now, it's the magic time to calculate the missing number. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 6 equals 20 plus 24 and equals 44. So the correct answer here is choice D, 44. But wait, there is more. Now you know how to solve these types of problems, so let's take advantage of that and let's reinforce your knowledge. Here's the brand new question for you to solve. The first shape has numbers 2, 3, and 4 and equal 14. The second shape has numbers 3, 4, and 5 and equals 27. And then the last shape has numbers 5, 6, and 7, and you need to calculate the number and select your answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 63, choice B, 64, choice C, 65, and last but not least, choice D, 75. Please take as much time as you need to solve this question and reinforce your learning. And when you're done solving it, make sure to post your answer in comments so I can give you my feedback. Thanks for participating and good luck solving this intriguing challenge. I gotta tell you, solving this question is like navigating through the maze blindfold. Challenging, a bit disorienting, and probably not recommended. You're presented with the sequence of numbers. The numbers are 14, 17, 28, 11, 41, 71, 82, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 95. Choice B, 72. Choice C, 11. And last but not least, choice D, 10. Take a close look to see if you can come up with the answer. If you watched enough problems on this channel, you know that to solve these types of challenges, you need to think out of the box. The good thing is, I have full confidence that you can solve this challenge by giving yourself enough time to think about it. Are you ready? Let's move forward so we can solve and review the solution together. And obviously, if you have a better way to solve it, please make sure to post in comments. I hope you took my comment to think out of the box to heart. You do not always need to look at the sequence of numbers, but sometimes need to look at the other patterns as well. And in this case, the numbers on the opposite side of the shape are the reversed versions of themselves. Let's look at the examples. 14 becomes 41. 17 becomes 71, 28 becomes 82, and the missing number 11 is the same, 11. So the correct answer here is choice C, 11. Theodore Roosevelt once said, "Believe you can and you're halfway there." Your belief in yourself is the first step toward success. Same is true in you tackling this question. Stay positive even when facing tough question like this, because every challenge presents a chance to expand your knowledge and refine your approach, paving a way for stronger performance in the future. You're presented with 4 numbers. In fact, the 4th number is missing. And the question is, if 4 numbers below average 20, you need to calculate the missing number. Once calculated, you need to select the answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 17, choice B, 18, choice C, 19, and choice D, 20. Are you having doubts about this question? Don't worry, it's natural to encounter challenges. I feel exactly the same way. But remember, every problem has a solution, and I believe you will find it with your ingenuity and perseverance. Let's tackle it as a team. Are you ready to present your solution? And the solution here might be easier than you think. If 4 numbers average 20, the sum of all 4 numbers should be 4 multiplied by 20 and equals 80. The missing number can be calculated by subtracting known numbers from 80. So the missing number can be calculated as 80 minus 27 minus 17 minus 19 and equals 17. So the correct answer here is choice A, 17. It might come to you as a surprise what Winston Churchill once said. Success is not final. Failure is not final. It's the courage to continue that counts. Same way is you have the power to persevere through any challenge, including this question. The key is not to give up, but keep trying. You're presented with the square, which has 16 numbers inside, and one number is missing. The numbers are, starting from the upper left corner, 3, 9, 2, and 4 in the first row, 4, 7, 2, and 2 in the second row, 5, 7, 2, and 4 in the third row, and then the last row contains numbers 6, 8, 2, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 2, choice B, 4, choice C, 6, and choice D, 8. Are you finding this question tricky? Well, that's the sign you're stretching your problem-solving muscles. Embrace the challenge, think creatively, and let's work through this together. I know you've got what it takes. Are you excited to share your solution? Let's roll up our sleeves and begin the comparison. The pattern here is rather simple. The last 2 digits in each row are equal to the sum of the first 2 digits multiplied by 2. Let's look at the example. The first row has numbers 3, 9, 2, and 4. 3 plus 9 equals 12, multiplied by 2 equals 24. Let's look at the other rows. 4 plus 7 multiplied by 2 equals 11 multiplied by 2 and equals 22. 5 plus 7 multiplied by 2 equals 24. And then the last row where we calculate the missing number, where 6 plus 8 multiplied by 2 equals 28. So the correct answer here is choice D, 8. Here's the question for you to tackle. The first shape has number 3 in the middle and numbers 4, 4, 1, and 7 on the outside. The second shape has number 5 in the middle, and then numbers 6, 6, 1, and 11 on the outside. And then the third shape has number 9 in the middle, and then numbers 10, 10, 1 on the outside. And then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 15, choice B, 16, choice C, 17, and last but not least, choice D, 19. After you found your answer, post it in comments, and I'll provide my feedback. Best of luck with this exciting challenge. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.